So during winter will be like this one.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
And we have hot pools, so you have a snow outside and you can swim. That's the nice. Good morning from beautiful Zakopane in South Poland in mountains. Sayang, first time in Polish mountains, second time actually.
Second time. Dzień dobry everybody, just another day in Poland, but now we are in Zakopane.
Zakopane.
Yes, it's very beautiful. And what my first impression is that Poland is very rich in nature, rich in culture. You know, you have a Baltic Sea on the north and you have a Tatra mountain in the south.
Exactly, and many other things as well, like lakes where I'm coming from originally.
Yes, North Poland.
And
yes,
many more.
yes.
But today we show you Zakopane.
The one thing about the architecture here is everything is made of wood, just like behind me. It's very interesting. It reminds me of the mama house, tak, kochanie,
Tak.
in Iwawa. And you know, everywhere
Mountains.
the mountains, that
Nice.
you know, I think that Damian mentioned before, told me like nowadays there are so many people from the Middle East countries coming to Poland. So that's why if you see the restaurant with the sign of the halal.
Yeah, that's actually interesting, but that's something what's happened only in this year. And this is famous Krupówki, legendary walking street here. That's what we're gonna show you today.
Right, so we keep walking and walking. Damian already wearing his winter jacket.
Tak.
Tak, kochanie.
Little bit too warm with this jacket, but yesterday I got a little bit cold in Krakow, so better I don't get sick, yeah?
Yeah, because after this we're gonna travel to different countries.
Yeah, still 1,000 kilometers to go.
Yes, so on the left, on the right side, maybe because of this time is actually the low season, right? Imagine that during the winter, Takohanya
Tak.
will be very busy. Okay, so yes, many shops on the right, on the left. Oh, look at the restaurant with the seating there.
Yeah, with the food
With
on the wooden benches. Yeah, but this is just the beginning. The end is on the bottom actually. And we also have to find some karczma, local traditional karczma.
Oh, look at the batcha, they're selling the
Cheese.
So yeah, mostly like the restaurant is just like this. The karczma is like this, Takohanya?
Yeah, this is like a small, they are smaller and bigger one, but mostly they are like this one actually.
Yes.
Yeah, this is like a center.
So this one is the walking street. You see that people can enjoy how is walking. Oh, so many.
I need to buy cheese like this one actually as
Wanna
well.
buy cheese for mama?
Ah,
Soleh?
yeah, I will buy somewhere. I will find. You can still buy the ice cream, by the way, even it's cold.
I told you, ice cream business, no matter what the situation, always. Hey, look at this on the top.
Yeah, there is like a mall with the restaurant on the top or something. And look at this one. There is the water actually here. And the horse. The horse stealing some food. I know he have a food actually as well.
Oh, you see, they have the food there, so they are not left hungry.
Oh, and this is the water coming from the mountains. Actually, it's also cool.
How clean and fresh must be. Look at this. So pretty, beautiful sky.
Saya, give me a camera. I will show you now because I'm only there. Show to the people your expression.
Beautiful. Wow, very nice, kochanie.
You like it? And your hat suits to the environment, by the way. Nice.
Let's explore more.
That's the horses. That's some house. Overall, it's quiet, like I said, because it's off season, right?
So
but if you came here during the winter, it's gonna be definitely different vibe. But maybe one day we can come actually during the winter.
Yes, of course.
Let's try and let's get into that direction.
Oh, they have ole shop on the right.
Ole shop. Okay, I need to buy postcard actually as well.
Maybe we'll go somewhere to buy it.
Yeah, postcard and decorations, all shop.
Nice.
Nice, yeah?
Ole Ole shop. Interesting. Zakopane. Oh, look at this from this spot. So beautiful. And many people are sitting sunbathing. Okay. Oh, this shop.
Hello.
Oh,
Dobry,
look at
dobry.
this. Oh, nice cheese.
Pu.
So Damian bought one cheese. Oh, look
Dobra,
at this.
super. Do you wanna have a small one as well? Yes or no?
Nie.
Nie? Okej. Albo, dobra, to do 20 jeszcze dwa te zakopiańskie małe serki wezmę i tyle. I będzie
Trochę
elegancko.
macie takie średnio słowo.
No i super.
Troszkę wędzą.
No i super.
No byśmy mieli 20.
Super, dziękuję pięknie.
no i-
Dzięki, do widzenia. Okay, got the cheese.
You got the cheese?
Got the cheese. The small ones. What you like, you can grill it at home.
Tak.
And then I got the big cheese for mama.
Don't hold it like this. My mind is so.
Your mind is always something. Let's
Like-
go.
I'm holding.
I put this
banana.
inside your backpack better. Let's go.
Okay.
This is like a restaurant with the bear.
So they're selling the bear inside.
Yeah.
I mean, the bear meat, no?
I don't know. You wanna get inside? No, because if you go inside, we have. But they have the name is the white bear.
Oh, so cute.
So traditional and modern.
Tak, so here is actually the mix of modern building and also traditional building.
I don't know if this is the Księstwo Góralskie, is it restaurant or is it hotel? But the owner having a Ferrari with the registration K8 Luna, and they really have a nice decorations on this one.
Fancy.
So seems like fancy, but seems like apartments actually, yeah. And the boutiques on the bottom.
So we keep walking and walking. Look at the beautiful artist there. He is drawing. Nice. And you see on right, on the left, so many nice shop. Ser, cheese, and this one, Ole Ole shop, and restaurant. Okay. Wow. So that's oh. Kohanya, do you wanna buy postcard somewhere there? Oh, why so many people going there? Maybe we will go. So many nice things to explore, learn. I don't know what they sell over there. Interesting. The sound of the dogs, that small dogs. Oh, they sell the pifa bimbre here, kan? Yeah.
Yeah, actually the drink thing.
Yes. Yeah, because it's mountain, you
This
know.
one is already prepared for the Christmas actually.
The decoration stuff.
Slowly.
Tak. Winter is coming soon.
It's really nice. You can put to the high camera.
I did already.
Nice.
Tak. Serki. So we will buy a postcard for Papa. Look. So many bimber here. Ole Ole shop. Nice. Or milk. So many nice products. here. Kochani, look at this hat.
No.
He looks so cute.
Really?
Oh, look at this. Oh. So many nice food. The steak one.
This is the what we eat in German place in Bali always.
Yeah.
Pork. What was the? I forgot the name.
Yeah, but I forgot.
But something.
Okay, let's go. Look at this restaurant. We keep walking and walking. Kanye, that's the post office. Maybe you send it now to Papa.
Oh, maybe.
Kanye, let's go shopping.
What you gonna buy, sayang? Pretzel. Obważanek. Okay. Obważanki. Looks decent.
Which one is the one? This one?
I don't know which one is it. This one is poppy seed. This one looks good. Take this one.
is it?
I don't know. Some sort of seeds. Sesame.
This one with the cheese, no?
Yeah. Just take whatever. Which one you like?
You want a cheese?
No, I don't want. So just choose for yourself.
Dzień dobry. Poproszę jeden obwasanki serowe. Tak.
Dobra.
Pakować czy dalej?
Do you want with paper or?
Nie, bo it's straightforward.
How is it? Nice? Nice?
How good?
Nice? Smacznego.
Dziękuję.
At least you try something traditional. And this is the continuation of the street actually. Alright. And you try to speak Polish?
Tak. Mieszkasz po Polsce? Musisz mówić po polsku, tak?
Tak.
Even with my broken Polish.
That's true. Oh, so I really add up to the Polish vibes. Really. Listen, you really add up to the Polish vibes, isn't it?
You have to respect the culture wherever you live.
This is some actually nice house, maybe restaurant, maybe hotel, shops on the bottom, mountains in the background. Actually pretty nice, nice shot. Kids running around everywhere under the feet, so you have to be very careful. Kids everywhere. Yeah, this one looks decent actually, isn't it? Alright, I'm gonna change the lens for the wide one. This karczma looks nice, sayang, actually. Hotel karczma. We should get to one of those, sayang, actually. This one looks actually pretty nice. And there's continuation. There's something, Muzeum Tatrzańskie in the background. Oh, let's get closer, let's see. What else is here? This one is actually nice because you could sit on the top, still outside, sayang. Isn't it? Let's see. But let's see what is here. There are also some horses. Nice. All over shop. During the winter must be nice here actually. I'll tell you guys for sure. That's the horses, the tradition of course. Nice shops, nice houses. Some tradition. Yeah, nice house, isn't it? From 1876. Yeah, this is like a traditional market. So we're gonna get to the traditional market actually, yeah? Because here, and this is the nice car. Actually, this one I read is very good review. Maybe we can have a final lunch here, huh? This one is nice. Karczma u Fiakra. Okay, looks good. That's something like a, this one is like a traditional, the old one, this one and this one, as you can see. And then you have on the other side little bit modern fusion with the glass already, right? Nice. And the mountains in the background. Strong górski browar. That also looks decent. You also have a nice brewery the bar, restaurant, whatever. And then there you have actually nice mountain stream. Look at how clear is the water actually. As always in the mountains, so that's cool. That's actually nice. And actually I just realized also as this side of the street from the bottom actually is busier than from the top. Because we started actually from the middle, we go to the top because it was easier to film if you go down. And we just realized that on the top was quieter. Here is definitely busier. Don't know why, but that's how does it look like. So this is basically the beginning or the end of the Krupówki street. Okay, let's get their side actually. See what's going on. They're selling the cheese. There is for some reason TK Maxx, but there is the church also. So looks well. This is the tourist spot in general, like anywhere else, but looks actually pretty decent. I'm gonna tell you. And everywhere is the place to eat. Everywhere you can eat something. That's actually also cool. Pity is we cannot take a cable car to the top of the mountain on Kasprowy Vior because actually it's 3 weeks closed for renovations. Actually closed 3 days ago. So pity. Little bit misfortunate, but it's okay. We're gonna have opportunity to come here during the winter for the cable car, yeah? Right. And this is already the main street, ulica Krupówki. In case if you would like to come here by yourself, that's how does it look like here. They also have a taxis I can see. And the main street look like this one of the Zakopane street. Okay, let's go eat something.
Okay, we go shopping. Huh? Oh, so many ole shop. Look at this ceramic, so cute. So we decided to eat in one of the restaurant which is called Karczma. I order a zupa, hot cappuccino. 0 alcohol, tak? Because you will drive. Codo yes?
Zero.
And here is the inside the Karczma is actually the restaurant where the design is actually dominated by the wood, you know, and just like this. So whenever you come to Zakopane, this is the typical restaurant in the Zakopane area. Nice. I think that's the chimney, tak? So I guess that during winter must be busy.
Definitely. Different life. When it's cold outside and warm inside. Enjoying the locals. Look at the view behind you, Zion. And you have your żurek.
This one, the Polish soup, right? Mostly they serve in winter time, tak?
Oh yeah, for Christmas, but yeah, daily also. So good. Ooh, so nice. With cappuccino. That's strange, a little bit nice. And the nice view behind. Yeah.
I always know that the portion of the Polish restaurant is huge, just like this. What is it?
This is like a local cutlet, which is like a schab with the oscypek cheese, local mountain cheese, with bacon, mustard, some sort of, I don't know, cabbage, many stuff, but looks good.
Smacznego.
Oh.
This is the view from the top of the restaurant actually. That's the mountain, Tatra mountain. Oh, look. People walking. And here is on the top of the restaurant. I really like the art of the ceilings. And really, literally every single corner is made of the wood and metal a little bit. It's nice restaurant. So when you are in Zakopane, so cute place. Nice. Dewisanya. Ah, look at this. Nice.
So that was our lunch. What do you think, Sam?
It's very nice experience, you know. Even the Zurek tastes different than the Zurek in the Poznan.
Yeah, that's the thing.
I would like to go to that traditional market.
Okay, that's the last thing in
Let's see.
Zakopane, and we go to Budapest after that. Okay.
Going to the traditional market actually, and here it looks the oleh-oleh shop. So many things. Right, Kohani?
Really a lot.
And then now it's getting warmer and warmer.
Yeah, that's why I changed to my leather.
And then I take off my jacket. It's really nice weather, and yeah, I'll show you how it is. Very nice. The mountain as the background, and here is the river. Right, look, that's the background. The mountain, that's the hotel. Look, very clean. Okay, Kohani. Magic mineral. Look. Interesting. Okay. Kohani. It's totally different vibe. What I see is that it's nice. You see like many oleh-oleh shops. So for those of you who really like shopping, like me, yeah, maybe we can buy one thing. But Damian already buy something, right? For Mama and Papa. And I just imagine that I have a small little daughter. Must be so cute. So cute. I don't know though. So many nice things. If you're going inside, really like traditional market with the oleh-oleh. So many nice cute things.
Sayang, what you got?
This one. I will wear it. So I don't feel cold.
Oh, so lovely, baby. I know you really like this red stuff. I remember when I was looking with Mama for you.
Right, so I think that's all our video today, guys. Now we are heading to Budapest, Hungary, tak?
Tak.
For about how many hours?
5-hour drive.
5. Pięć godzina, kochanie.
5 godzin. Dobra.
Okay, I think that's all. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow from Budapest, Hungary. So now it's little bit a driving vlog. So when you are, look at these beautiful trees. Yes, is beautiful. And if you are coming to Zakopane, you've got a clear view what you can expect. And yeah, this is actually the city center. On the left, on the right side, there are some noчлеги or place to stay, boutique hotel, and then here is the view of the mountain, Tatra mountain, and
Yeah, like a mountain city in general, right?
Yes. So, kochanie, Karpacz or Zakopane?
I don't know. How about you? I don't know. For me, both are very similar, actually, to be honest.
But I think that Zakopane is prettier because it's longer.
It's bigger.
Yes, bigger.
And a higher mountain.
Higher mountains.
You can see really mountains, so you can really feel mountain vibe. While in Karpacz you have to go to Czech Republic actually to experience the mountain more.
Yes. So here is whenever you're coming by your own car, you see that you can explore. Ooh.
There's so many nice stuff.
And then the public bus also here, right?
Yeah.
So there are so many options.
You can come from Krakow also by bus
Yes.
or train, as we showed you before.
Yeah. And probably during this time the traffic is like this, but imagine that during
High season in
high
winter.
season, probably you will be stuck here for hours.
But in other hand, during the high season, during the winter, when everything is covered with the snow, it also must be beautiful here. And you see the top of everything in the snow, mountains white and everything. Yeah.
I location, because for me you still can see the blue sky, a mix of the three colors, color three like this. You see gold, red, and yeah, oh, many nice villa, lodge lake, apartment. And the thing is that wherever you go, it's clean.
That's the thing. It's tourist city, but it's clean. That's true.
And then if you walk, it's very enjoyable walking path. Very nice. Wow, it's really beautiful. Look at the trees. I record this especially for those of you who never experience fall. And yeah, this is how it looks.
This is actually something totally different, right?
Right. Now I understand why the song was Zakopane. Because it's really, for me, dark. I like it. You see, look, the trees, the color of the trees, mountain in the background. Walk, enjoy.
It's really just different. It's really nice actually.
Yeah. Wow.
And the fresh air.
Fresh air.
Mountain air.
Yeah. River. You see in the front of me the wooden house. Typical wooden house. Oh wow. It's simply nice. Not even single one rubbish on the street. Karchma. Karchma is actually a restaurant in the mountain. Tak,
Traditional.
traditional one.
This is like already like outside of the city center. And everybody can find a place to stay.
Look at this. Look at this house. So nice. Wow.
That's actually very nice. And the mountains in the background everywhere.
Tak. Oh, beautiful.
We are going to Hungary, and the guy at the front of us is from Hungary actually.
Right, and then the trip will take us 5 hours, 430 kilometers.
That's the thing.
Yes. Oh, look at that.
Look at this.
Morskie oko. Are we going to Morskie oko, Kanye?
I wish we could go, but next occasion, Saya.
Następny razem, tak?
Następny razem, because you have to walk 9 kilometers, Saya.
Rozumiem.
But definitely we will come back. I think we will come back during the winter when it's snow. And also going to Morskie Oko, where is the snow will be lovely.
Rozumiem.
And also experience for you, no?
Yeah. Oh my god. When we'll be seeing the glacier things. Oh my god.
Yeah, the glacier things, the ice, snow.
Oh, look at the trees. Oh my god, really?
Isn't that the area where is the ski jumping or something?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah,
Yes,
but you can
no?
cruise on the ski. This is during the winter, it's extremely busy here, you know?
Tak, tak. That's why.
That's why we have to come back during the winter also.
Yeah. So many apartments. Nice. Wow.
You see, so driving also is nice because you can experience many things. You come on the Krupówki walking street, is it nice, but it's also everything outside is also very nice, you know?
Yeah.
But the June, like October, is really nice time to explore, you know, the stuff.
Yes. domek, tak?
Usually domek or
Noclegi.
noclegi, or you know, so zajazd or something like that, but never like a hotel, you know.
Tatra Mountain.
Yeah, this is also the area of the Tatrzański Park Narodowy, which is Tatra National Park, you know. Something like Banff National Park, where I was last year. We're gonna go through the mountain road for a while, and then we're gonna cross the border with Slovakia. We're gonna cross the whole Slovakia, and then we're gonna go to Budapest. But unfortunately, we're gonna arrive in Budapest at night already. But it's okay. But the weather is